Hello, I'm Tom Grindy with Telco Depot. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the TalkSwitch VoIP telephone system. Perfect for small to medium businesses from 2 to 32 users. It's easy to install and administer yourself. And with its excellent mix of functions and features and its low price point, it makes a best buy in my opinion. TalkSwitch is designed to be used primarily with IP phones, but it does come with analog ports so you can add your cordless phones or TalkSwitch proprietary phones. Another huge advantage is the ability to have an IP phone in your home or for your remote workers without using a cumbersome VPN connection. In addition, you can mix traditional POTS telephone lines with new VoIP lines to give you an easy transition from the old to the new at your pace. As an added bonus, we give you 2 free VoIP channels to use for 6 months with our bundled offerings. This includes a single telephone number and all your long distance and local callings. How's that for savings? While we have many TalkSwitch part numbers on our site, you only need a control unit and phones. The control unit is the base server for the system and contains all the physical line and LAN connections. The part numbering scheme with TalkSwitch works like this. There are 3 numbers for each model of control unit. The first digit represents the number of analog telephone lines. These are your traditional POTS lines. The second digit represents the number of analog station ports. Remember, with TalkSwitch you have 16 total extensions in a single control unit. These can all be IP phones, or with each analog extension you use, you'll lose 1 IP connection. The third digit represents the number of VoIP channels in the control unit. This is the total number of concurrent VoIP calls you can handle. You can also stack up to 4 of these TalkSwitch control units to grow your system beyond 16 extensions. TalkSwitch is unique in the IP market by offering a combination of IP and traditional analog telephones. This lets you mix and match to fit your situation and wiring infrastructure. There are 2 new models of the IP phones that we recommend. These are the newest product from TalkSwitch and feature a variety of improvements over the older 9 series phones. The TalkSwitch 350i has 2 call appearances and 6 programmable buttons. You may add call appearances, frequently used functions, or speed dials. This is a great IP phone for most workers. The TalkSwitch 550i has 24 programmable buttons. It's perfect for the power user or receptionist. It features direct station selection and busy lamp field, meaning you can program a button for another user, dial them with 1 touch, and the lamp lights while the phone is in use, so at a glance you can see if they are busy or not. Buttons may also be used for speed dial or frequently used features. Add even more buttons with the 50E expansion console. Up to 2 consoles may be attached to the 550i IP, providing up to 48 programmable buttons. These consoles obtain their LAN connection and power from the 550i. Both the 350 and 550i can be used remotely without the need for any VPN. Perfect if you need a phone at home or for telecommuting. We do offer the 9 series IP phones for those of you growing an existing system. Telco Depot offers all 3 models of TalkSwitch proprietary analog phones. These are a great option for areas where you need a phone but don't have a data drop. Break room, warehouse, or reception area. From the low-cost TS80 to the highly functional TS200 and the sleek, large-scale design of the TS600, there's an analog phone to fit any need. Automated attendant and voicemail are included in the control unit. While we always recommend live answer of your telephone lines, the automated attendant takes care of all your answering needs, whether it's directly or on a delayed basis during the day or after hours and holidays. TalkSwitch even delivers your voicemail messages via your email. Installation and administration is a snap. Plug the control unit into your LAN, and if you're using analog telephone lines, plug them into the RJ11 jacks, starting with jack L1. Plug any analog extensions into the RJ11 jacks, starting with jack E1. Any IP phones plug directly into your Ethernet switch, and that's it for the physical installation. The 350 and 550i phones are Power over Ethernet compliant, so we do recommend a PoE switch, eliminating the need for local power at each phone. Call us for more details. Administration is done via any PC running the TalkSwitch management software and can connect either locally or remotely. The graphical user interface is simple and logical for any non-telephony trained user to understand. Plug in the IP phones, and via auto discovery, the TalkSwitch control unit identifies each phone. So you just create a user, assign the phone, and TalkSwitch does the rest. We're happy to pre-program your system or help you program it yourself, as we stand behind the system with excellent pre- and post-sale support. As always, give us a call or initiate a chat, and we'll be happy to help you configure your system or answer any questions. Because at Telco Depot, you can do it, we can help.